Okay, Sensei, maybe
Yeah.
you can take your time for lecture.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
please, dozo.
Okay. Yeah, I will share the also PowerPoint. Please wait for a while. Okay. Okay. よいしょ。ちょっと待ってね。Please wait. よいしょ。Mistake. Okay. よいしょ。Please wait for a while, right? よいしょ。Okay. うん。Please wait. よいしょ。Sorry. うん。よいしょ。Okay, my slide is clearly appeared.
Yes,
Okay.
Sensei. Yeah, we can see clear.
Okay. Mm. Okay, thank you very much for inviting me, and nice to meet you, everybody. So I'm great pleasure to have the lecture to you. Okay. So today I'm talking about the also the how to utilize natural products and extractives as the variable product. Right? And today my topic is getting expanding. So several topics. And maybe it's difficult to complete all of topic today. Right? So however, I have the 4 times. Right? So I'll divide 4 topics. So our topic, my topic is about the medicine and functional. So before start my personal information, okay, you can see maybe yeah, okay. Mm? Harinda, can you look at the second slide? Ah, okay. Now second slide is up here. Okay, okay, please wait. Mm. Okay. Okay, and also this is my information. I born on 1972, November 6th. So getting older and older. So and also however, I'd like to say I'm the handicapped person. So that's me. I cannot hear the from left ear. So because when I was born, eh, so my left ear is not there. So it's one of the side effects of medicine. eh. So we said congenital left ear occlusion. So it means no left ear may be a side effect of artificial synthetic drugs. So, so that means that I'm a handicapped person caused by the side effect of artificial drugs. However, I think it's a great gift from God because so I have the handicap caused by artificial synthetic drug. So that's why now I'm trying to search for natural product with safety. eh. So, and it look like my mission. So when I was the elementary school, and I stayed in around several months and underwent surgery twice. And thigh meat and flank bone were transplanted to form the shape of the left ear. And this is also my story. So then finally, and I went to the high school, junior high school, and university, and finally I got the PhD 2000, and then 2002, I have been the assistant professor, and then 2014 associated professor. So I'm doing the several research for collaboration with several countries. Yeah? USA, of course, Indonesia, and Thailand, Brazil, Mexico, Nepal, Vietnam, Korea, and Morocco, Egypt, China. So in our laboratory, there are a lot of foreign students. Yeah, more than 80% are foreigners. And also the different scientists and different students come to our laboratory and doing the research. So if you have a chance in future, yeah, please join our laboratory. And also as you know, Professor Harinder and Professor Enostanke Arung and got PhD in Japan. So if I have a chance, I will go there in your future. Okay, return back to my slide. So my mission is research and treasure hunting of safe and valuable natural products. So such as the herbal medicine in Indonesia. So we call jamu, right? And food and cosmetics and aroma and living environment. Right? So it must be safe because it's continued for several generations. So before starting today's topic, so I'd like to talk about the place of our university. Right? So Harinda, can you see the next slide? Not. So it takes several times, right? Okay. Maybe for internet connection. So please wait. Okay. So yeah, maybe and Harinda, can you hear me
Yes.
clearly?
Yeah. We
Okay.
can hear you well.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah. And now you can see the map.
Yeah.
Oh,
We see
okay.
Kyushu Point,
Okay.
Kyushu
Okay.
University.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think also the internet connection is not so good. Maybe once I change the slide, maybe around several seconds later, the second next slide appear. Okay, anyway, so I will continue. If you feel that something trouble, don't hesitate to ask me. Right? Okay, so at first I'd like to explain the Kyushu University. Kyushu University is here. This is Japan. Eh? This is Japan. Yeah, and Kyushu University is here. Right? And then also Indonesia is Kalimantan Island or here. Right? Okay. So and this is magnified Japanese picture. So maybe please wait. I think that mm, okay. Okay. And then here is our Kyushu University. Okay. And also this is picture of Kalimantan and near the Murawarman University. Yeah, maybe. also the Yushi and Shimizu. My name is Shimizu, right? And also the water pump company. Right? So please memorize my name, right? And also Shimizu, but also it's very famous name in Japan, right? So please also I'm a professor, but also you feel my name is the same as the water pump company. Okay, okay, this is she. We use the biomass resources from ancient time. Right? Okay, I think that maybe and Harinda, maybe also can you see the
I
biomass resources?
in our laptop. Okay, it's okay. We
Ah,
saw
it's
the
okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah, okay, okay. Maybe also also some internet connection is not so good, right? So, can I change the different Wi-Fi? I think it's better. Yeah, okay. Please wait for a while. So I will, yeah, show you again. Okay, please wait. Okay, okay, and okay. Mm, okay, can you see?
Yeah,
Okay, maybe, yeah. Mm, once I use the PowerPoint, please wait. I think that it takes the several time, right? Maybe it takes the several time. Okay, can you see? Okay,
yeah.
mm, please wait. And, mm, 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 mm. Okay, I'm trying to my best to talk about this one. Yeah, I'm so sorry to be late. And biomass resources, we use biomass resources uh, from the ancient time, right? And as medicine and aroma and dye, food and antibacterial and cosmetics and healing and energy and materials and woody houses. So today I'm talking about how to utilize natural product. Okay, so from ancient time, we use the natural product as the several purpose. So this slide is for the concept, lifestyle of health and sustainability, right? And also we call the ROHAS. So we should always consider and health and sustainability. Right? So this kind of concept is very important. So, today's topic is how to utilize extractives. We should always consider health and sustainability. Okay. So this slide is the circular economy slide. Yeah. Okay. You can see, right? Okay. This is the circular economy slide. Yeah? You can see. So this is very famous slide, and also in the EU. Right? So right circle is related to also the metal or some plastic, right? Artificial materials circle. Right? So, however, the today's topic is left one, right? Left one. Left one is renewable flow cycle. So we should always consider how to utilize natural product instead of oil product. So previously, when I was a child, there are a lot of plastic and there are a lot of oil-related materials, synthetic artificial product. However, so as you know, so it's good environment. It's good for nature. Should all how to as natural product instead of used material. eh? So yeah, this one and farming correction and regenerative materials. Okay, so this kind of the materials is important, right? Okay, so this slide is our strategies. Yeah, maybe you can see functional exploration and social implementation of Asian natural materials. Yeah. So, and this is also natural materials all over Asia. So I think
Sorry, in this room we got a problem with the slide, but in my laptop I can see your slide. Maybe you can change to the style. You can hear me? Oh, you can hear me? Okay. Okay. Please, yeah. Please change to what is it? Not slide bar, but the usual slide, not slide show. Yeah. We can see we can see your slide, but maybe
Recording in progress.
mm. Okay, I hope that yeah, my slide is no problem. Okay, so if yeah, something wrong, please let me know. Yeah, this is also our concept for how to utilize how to utilize natural product. So as you know,
Sorry.
yeah, yeah, mm,
Yeah, it's the slide is cannot changing in the in the monitor.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, please,
Oh,
please do not use slideshow.
oh, okay, okay. I'm trying to. Yeah, okay. I do not use the slideshow. Okay. Can you see?
Yeah, like this one is okay, I think.
Okay, okay, okay. So I will not use the slideshow. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
wait.
This. Mm. Okay, okay. I'll move to the next, right? Okay. So, and this is also just a simple slide, right? Also, in Asia, there are a lot of natural materials, right? So, flora and fauna, and microbe, right? So, and we collaborate with several universities, especially in Indonesia. So, we collaborate with the Murawarma University. So, in Japan, we did the functional evaluation, right? And isolation and identification né? And then also we should do all of activity and convention on biological diversity, CPD. né? And also we should consider social implementation. So from basic research and also the application should be considered in all of step. Okay? So, and biomass forest resources, yeah, there are a lot of biomass forest resources. However, still, yeah, only rumor and also traditional knowledge. So it means the lack of scientific evidence. So today's lecture and also the successive 4 times lecture, I'm trying to talk with you about the also how to utilize and natural materials. Okay. Okay. So and also and next and also you can see this slide. And today I'm trying to, but the time is very limited. I'm trying to talk 4 topics: medicinal mushroom, and the next functional plant and functional wood, and the next aroma, and finally woody house. Right? Okay. So at first the medicinal mushroom. So and also the yeah mushroom extractives and wood extractives. So both of them are related to research about extractives. So this is yeah also one of the most famous medicinal mushroom, Ganoderma lynchii. So yeah, also scientific name is very complicated. Recently, some scientists say Ganoderma lucida, and other scientists say Ganoderma lynchii. Right? And this mushroom is very well known to have medicinal activities in ancient China. Right? Sorry. Yeah. And also in Japanese we call the reishi, and also the several also the polysaccharides have been reported. uh, and not only polysaccharide, but also the other terpenoids have been reported. So, yeah, today I'm talking about the one medicinal activity, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Yeah? So, and how to utilize also natural medicine. Right? So, at first we should decide what kind of the disease which we should target. So this is also benign prostatic hyperplasia. It's related to only men, not women. So in the body, our men, we have the testosterone. Testosterone is converted to dihydrotestosterone by 5-alpha reductase. So if yeah, some natural materials inhibit 5-alpha reductase, it must be yeah, good ingredient for treat treatment of benign prostatic hyperplasia. Yeah. So what's the benign prostatic hyperplasia? So you can see this picture. In the case of men, so in the case of men, so getting older and older, hormone balance is disrupted. Is getting larger, and but maybe this slide is not appear, and I hope. Okay, so yeah, okay, Mm, can you see? And the next slide, mm, not appeared. This is also just a screening slide. eh? Okay, maybe okay, okay, appear, eh? Okay, and this is just screening slide. So how to utilize natural product? At first, the screening we should do. So we choose the also the commercially available mushroom in Japan, and we prepare the ethanol extract against the 5-alpha reductase inhibitor activity. eh. So you can see not all extract have the activity. So some mushroom don't have any activity. However, you can see the Ganoderma range shows a very, very strong anti-alpha glucosidase, anti-5-alpha reductase activity. Yeah? So it's one of the first step. So we have found out the extract of Ganoderma range have the strong 5-alpha reductase. And then what should we do? Right? So this slide is the composition of extractives. Right? So this mushroom contains huge variety of the terpenoid. You can see this chromatogram and several compounds existed. Ganoderic acid C2, G, ganoderic acid A, ganoderic acid D, ganoderic acid A, ganoderic acid I, ganoderic acid B, D, J, ganoderma alcohol, right? So such kind of natural materials have the very complicated composition. So what should we do? Next, what kind of compound is important for showing 5-alpha reductase? And so next, so we should continue to separation of extract. This is just image. So you can see also the Ganoderma lynchy ethanol extract have the activity. eh? And then this is just bioactivity guided fractionation. So and separate by using silica gel column chromatography, reverse phase column chromatography, several methods we should apply for identifying their active compound. So it's very, very tough work. If you will do the isolation and identification of a bioactive compound from natural materials, usually it takes the several years. Okay, separation and check the activity and separation and check the activity and separation and check the activity. eh? So finally, several fractions have the activity. So we have found out finally and the active compound. eh? So you can see, for example, ganoderic acid TR, ganoderic DM, and very, very complicated natural product, natural compound, right? So it's quite difficult to be artificially synthesized. So that means the gift of nature. eh? So, and also we have isolated the several compounds. Basically, generally speaking, so yeah, not only the mushroom but also plant, we always doing the such kind of the yeah, also the approach. Okay, and this is just a summary. And finally, so we have found out, eh, yeah, not only the also the some specific compound, like this one, we isolate the more than 50 terpenoid. However, the only specific compound inhibit 5-alpha reductase. And then, and some other compound inhibit the androgen receptor binding activity. eh. So it's very interesting, right? So nature provides huge variety compound. However, not only one compound, but also different compound have the activity. And some compound inhibit some specific pathway. And other compound inhibit the other also pathway. And finally, so natural product have the good effect. Right? So, and next, what should we do? Usually, we do the clinical trial. eh, Okay, so at first, today's topic at first, we screening. What kind of the mushroom have the activity, and we have found out the Ganoderma range, and then we can isolate and several compounds. And next, and we have clarified the mechanism. And finally, we have done a clinical trial by using human. You can see. So we use the, yeah, and also older men, and around the, yeah, almost the 44, 40 to 50% subject. eh. You can see at first the no, yeah, effect, but around 1 month, so we can put the supplement of Ganoderma lynchy extract, but extract only 6 milligram per day. But also thirdly, around 1 month later, total IPSS. IPSS means International Prostate Symptom Score is dramatically decreased. Right? And also statistical difference. P less than 0.001 and 1 month and 2 months and 3 months. Right? So finally we can prove, yeah, also this mushroom is good for benign prostate hyperplasia. Hmm? Okay, so I'd like to summarize the first topic, right? Okay, so and also this mushroom have been reported to have medicinal, a lot of medicinal activity. However, in our research, we provided new finding. Everybody believe that this mushroom have the, yeah, beta glucan. Yeah? Beta glucan is very famous, yeah, natural ingredient which have the variety of medicinal activity. However, we have found out, yeah, such kind of the terpenoid, one of the series of the extractives. eh, This compound shows very strong, yeah, 5-alpha reductase inhibitor activity. Finally, we have found out, yeah, this compound, yeah, this extract have the, yeah, good effect by human clinical trial. And also the, yeah, I'd like to explain the why we focus on the, yeah, natural product. Yeah, today I just show you one example, yeah, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Yeah, next time I will explain the other activity, but I'd like to discuss. So, generally speaking, natural products have the multifunctional activity. For example, this mushroom have been reported to have anti-diabetic, eh? And then anti-diabetic complication, and also anti-hypertension, eh? And also anti-osteoporosis, and also anti-influenza, and also the anti-cancer. So you can see why only one natural material have the huge variety of natural activity. Eh? So it's also one of the mystery, right, of the natural ingredient. So in Indonesia, and you have the very famous traditional medicine, jamu, right? And jamu medicine have the multiple medicinal effect. So I'd like to explain why the natural product, natural extract have the such kind of activity. eh? So important point is the extractives, the compounds isolated from extractives. So this is just we isolated and around 50 compound from this mushroom. Right? However, so the role of each compound have different. Eh? So I'm trying to explain. So I isolated around 50 compounds. However, each compound have the different medicinal activity. eh? Not so strong, sometimes not so strong, but the moderate. But several compounds have the activity, so good for our health. eh? Okay, I'm trying to explain more detail. So this please make the imagine. What's the extractives? So in Indonesia, a huge variety of extractives existed. This is just simple HPLC chromatogram. Huge variety of compound. And huge variety of compound have the different activity. And finally shows multiple medicinal activity. Okay, I'd like to also explain. So why such kind of compound have the medicinal activity? In the case of 5-alpha reductase inhibitor activity, okay, not all compounds have the activity, but also specific specific compound have 5-alpha reductase inhibitor activity. In this case, ganoderic acid DM and ganoderic acid TR, and also this compound have the very strong inhibitory activity. Please imagine. eh? However, sorry. However, however, so in the case of the different medicinal activity. This is androgen receptor binding activity. Okay, you can see. You can see this one. Okay, this is also sorry. Please wait. How? This is also the androgen receptor binding activity. You can see. So different compound have the different activity. Okay, different compound. Sorry, different compound have the different activity. You can see. Okay, so it means so this mushroom produce huge variety of compound, but so same as the university. So in Kyushu University, we have the several department and several faculty. Several faculty have the different also the role, different function. Mushroom is also natural product itself is look like the university. Huge variety of faculty have the huge variety of function, same as the natural product. This mushroom have the huge variety of the terpenoid, but different terpenoid have the different activity. Yeah? It's very interesting. Okay, and also the different topic, anti-osteoclastogenesis activity. This is anti-osteoclastogenesis activity. You can see. But also the different compound have the anti-osteoclastogenesis activity. Okay, so I'd like to say, so different compound have the different medicinal effect. So that's why this mushroom have the interesting activity. Okay, so I'd like to continue. This is also alpha glucosidase inhibitor activity. So this mushroom is very famous for anti-diabetes. eh? So several scientists prove the efficacy of anti-diabetic activity in clinical trial. But different compound have the anti-diabetic activity. Okay, so different activity, different compound have the activity. Right? So okay, I'd like to show you the next example. Yeah, this is also anti-diabetic complication, aldose reductase inhibitor activity. Okay, you can see. So also different compound have the different aldose reductase inhibitor activity. Okay, okay. Also the different new ramidase inhibitor activities look like the like this one, and different compound have the different inhibitory activity, right? Okay, so maybe also slide is delayed and a little bit different from my talking, right? Okay, and hypertension, and also the finally this slide is tumor cell cytotoxicity. Yeah, tumor cell cytotoxicity is also the related to, of course, the cancer, right? And also the different compound have the different activity. Okay, so I'd like to summarize my talking. Sometimes, okay, so slide is delayed, right? So what I'd like to say, and the multifunctional effect of natural product. And I have already explained, and anti-hypertension and anti-cancer. So this mushroom have the multifunctional effect. eh. So, and we should consider, and also the why this mushroom shows the multi-medicinal effect. eh. So I have explained. So one of the reasons, natural products, natural extractives itself contain huge variety of compounds. It's one of the important, right? So, and so that's why everybody believe. For example, one natural medicine. Why one natural medicine have the multi-medicinal effect? Usually, also Western drug, artificial drug, one drug have the one medicinal, also activity. But natural product have the huge variety of biological activity. So it means there are hundreds of the huge variety of compound must be contribute to their biological activity. So, and also, how should we utilize such kind of the natural materials? Right? So, and important point. Yeah? So natural materials produce the variety of compound. However, please keep in mind, if also growth stage and cultivation method is different, and also such kind of extractives is different from the also consideration from the practical application point of view. eh. So natural product, mushroom and plant produce a variety of compound. The profile of variety of compound must be different, right? If strain is different and different, right? And cultivation method is different and different, right? And also developing stage is different and different, right? So, and if you'd like to utilize and natural materials with very complicated composition, eh, you should also develop a comprehensive analytical method for a variety of terpenoids, quantitatively and qualitatively. eh. So, next step, I'd like to explain how to analyze extractives eh, by using LCMS. Okay, so extractives, eh, natural extractives have the variety of function. eh. So if you please imagine, if you find out, so one of the jam medicinal plant have the medicinal efficacy, and in Indonesia several islands, Kalimantan Island, Sumatra Island, and also different island, Java and Bali Island. And the weather and climate is quite, a little bit different. And also species, yeah, also plant itself is same, but cultivation method is different, and also the growing stage is different. Compound must be different. Right? We should always keep it in mind. huh? If you obtained the natural materials, medicinal plant from some specific region, for example, Samarinda, right? But the same plant is obtained from Bali Island. Yeah, usually also the composition is different. How to clarify? Right? So analytical method is very important. Right? Okay, I'm trying to explain the how to also analyze the also composition of natural product. Okay, this is also one of the example of the LCMS analysis. Okay, okay, mm, okay, okay. Sorry, so wait for a while. Okay, this is also okay. mm, Okay, please wait. Okay. mm, mhm, mhm. Okay. mm, Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah, can you hear me? Hmm? Okay, I'm so sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. We can hear.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, please wait for a while. I'm trying to recover. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, please wait. Okay. Hmm. Sorry, please wait for a while, right? Yeah, I'm recovering. That. Yeah. Okay, can you hear me? Okay. Hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah. Okay. 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 I'm trying to continue, right? Okay. I'm so sorry that. Yeah. Okay. 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 And also the I'm trying to explain the LCMS quantification method, right? And also the this is just method, and also the how to also characterize the extractives. eh. Usually we use the LCMS analytical method. It's very very sophisticated the analytical method and comprehensive analytical method. Why we need such kind of the analytical method? I'd like to explain. So this is one of the example for analysis of the this mushroom, right? So you can see, and also that this is a quantitative analysis of terpenoids in the extractives, right? Extract prepared from this mushroom. This is one of the example. By using this mushroom, we can identify, we can quantify, so the different type of the terpenoid. Yeah, this is one of the compounds uh, produced by this mushroom. Ganoderic acid I, ganoderic acid C, ganoderic acid C2, C6, BK, LM, HAD. Huge variety of compound existed. And also we should quantify by using this machine. And also why we need this kind of analysis. I'd like to explain. So you can see this slide. eh? So this is also growth stage. So same as the plant. This is one of the example of mushroom, right? And stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And growth stage is getting different, right? And however, so usually most of cultivator just know the also this is also maturated mushroom is good. However, it's not true. Right? So stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is getting bigger and bigger. However, from the point of view of the bioactive compound, so sometimes stage 1 have the very high content, and sometimes stage 4 is best content. Sometimes stage 6 is very small, right? So that's why that I always recommend cultivar. So farmer thinks that best shaped medicinal plant, best shaped medicinal mushroom, best shaped functional food, right? It's good, but it's not true. Please, I'd like to show you several examples. So you can see this is the one of the example. Ganoderec acid H. Okay, so it's also the y-axis is the content, and it's also it's normal also the look like the expected result, right? Stage 1 and stage 2 and stage 3 and stage 4, stage 5, stage 6, and stage 6 have the high contents. However, so different compound. This is also just the ganoderic acid H, but also this is also the result of ganoderic acid C. Right? So you can see this data. So maybe delayed. So this data provide site. Okay. Please wait for a while. So I'm waiting for moving to the next slide. Right? Yeah. So this slide also the you can see. Okay. I hope the slide is moved. Okay. But never move. Okay. Well, anyway, okay, I'm trying to change. Okay. Okay, you can see this slide right now. Okay, so in the case of this compound, ganoderic acid C, you can see getting decrease. Also, the most of farmers believe so. Stage 6 is good shaping, same as a plant. Usually also good shape medicinal plant and good looking plant, but sometimes the active contents is very low. So that's why this kind of analytical method is important, right? So this mushroom produces a huge variety of terpenoids. So such kind of also the behavior is quite different. If also the compound is different. This is also interesting. Ganoderic acid I is almost the same. Right? So, okay, so I'd like to summarize this topic, right? And also that once you have found out the biological active extractives, it's good. It's just starting point. You can isolate the compound, right? And you can evaluate the activity of each compound on several methods, cell level, animal level, and clinical trial. However, most important things is material, natural product itself. Right? So in the case of this is just one example I'd like to say to you. And same situation in plant. And especially in Indonesia, different island, different weather, different temperature, different height. So cultivation method is different. And bioactive compound must be different. This is just one example of Ganoderma lynchy. In the case of stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4, stage 5, stage 6. So this mushroom produces the variety of compound. However, I'd like to emphasize strains different is change. Cultivation method different is change. Growth stage different is change. Substrate different is change. Most of company also the commercialize, make the commercial product. Usually, Ganoderma lynchy have the good medicinal effect, but please don't believe it, right? Because also, same even in same also mushroom, but strain and cultivation method, growth stage and substrate different. Compounds must be different. So should be optimized for producing the high valued medicinal plant. Okay, so it's very important point I'd like to emphasize. When you will do the also the natural product chemistry and medicinal natural product, please keep them in mind. And also the in the case of this mushroom, I'd like to emphasize this is summary. the Ganoderma lynchy must produce different terpenite during different development stage, even if cultivated by using the same strain and the same cultivation method. Yeah? To evaluate the potential of specific developmental stage of Ganoderma lynchy. Yeah? It's also important. So same as plant, we must develop the discriminate method of Ganoderma lynchy with different developing stage. How should we find the specific marker? Yeah, because also why we need the specific marker? Because commercial product is look like the powder extractives. We don't know which powder is which growth stage, which powder is from which strain, which powder is from which also the condition. So that's why comprehensive metabolomics analysis using GCMS and LCMS against Ganoderma lynchy with different developing stage is needed. Okay, so I'd like to talk about the more also developed technique. Okay, so I'd like to summarize. Okay, so today's topic, I have found out that Ganoderma lynchy, this medicinal mushroom, it's good, and we isolate active compound. It's first stage, and check the cell experiment, and check the animal experiment, check the clinical trial is the second stage. Third stage is we should establish the analytical method. And the fourth stage is also the comprehensive analytical method is needed. So usually also in Indonesia, huge variety of jamu product. However, each jamu product must be different because cultivar different is compound different. So recently we established several methods by using GCMS and LCMS-MS, and then obtain the comprehensive analytical method. Okay, so this is one example. This is just mushroom. Please imagine. Okay, mushroom is at first the mycelium, and second and primordial, and third and cap not form, and fourth and early cap formation. I hope the slide should be moved to the maybe and not appear, and fifth and cap formation, and sixth and immature stage, and yellow edge cap, and seventh mature stage. Okay, so and I hope that move to the next slide. I hope, but did not show. I think. Okay, so please wait. Maybe did not. Yeah. Okay, please wait. What's happened, right? Okay. So I will change the Wi-Fi, right? Please, a little bit wait, right? Okay, I'm more speedy. Okay. Okay, I feel relieved. Maybe you can see the different growth stage, right? Yeah, this growth stage, you can see mycelium and also the, primordial and cap not form Brian's type, and fourth stage, fifth stage, sixth stage, seventh stage, and eighth stage. So this is also example for, also mushroom cultivation, stage, right? And then, but also, maybe you can understand, different stage have the different compound, right? But the almost eighth and seventh is major, sixth and five, seven, and different compound existed. So we correct and such this kind of the different compound, and then also the analyze by using the GCMS and LCMS. Okay, and this is just information. Okay, and also this is just a sample. We can correct and stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, 4, 5, 6, and then analyze. Yeah, this is just information, right? And also we label and each sample, right? And then okay, analyze, right? Yeah, this is just maybe you are familiar with this picture. Yeah, extraction of optimization, right? Okay, and we prepare the also fruiting body and mushroom sample and encode also the situation and extract it and then prepare the extraction and then apply the GCMS and LCMS, right? Okay, so this is also workflow. Yeah. And by using LCIT tofu mass analysis. Okay. Maybe slide is getting delayed. Okay. Okay. And then this is also the very complicated and uh, LCMS chromatogram. So and a huge variety of compound existed, right? So for considering the utilization of extractive, we should always analyze or extract by using the comprehensive analytical method. And then also this is just LCMS chromatogram, but also we should try to obtain the GCMS analysis. So this is also GCMS machine, right? Okay. So, and also, slides, moving, it takes the, several times. Yeah. And also, but I'm trying to move, right? I hope the, still also maybe, my slide is appear in the LCMS analysis. And I'm trying to move to the, next slide. Yeah. Mm, I hope move. Not move. Okay. Mm. Okay, not to change. Not to change. Mm. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
we can see.
GCMS analysis.
You see. Yes.
Yeah, Smith Sensei. Sorry, Smith Sensei. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Professor Shimizu already taught us about the application and what is it, the searching of the biomass resources, and then selected some products like linseed, Ganoderma linseed, to isolate the compound and to check the bioactivity. So in this class, I would like to ask you to ask Shimizu Sensei about his presentation today. It's very interesting for us. So maybe, is there any question from the student? Dava? Okay, okay, please. Just maybe stand here. The camera will, okay, okay.
Hello.
Just tell your name. Okay. Ah.
Uh, Hello, Sensei. Can you hear me?
Sensei, can you hear us? Oh, okay. Because our student will ask you, so please, can you hear me? Okay, okay, please.
Hello, Sensei. Hello, Sensei. My name is Dava, and I'm from class of 2021. I want to ask about the compounds from the mushrooms. How do you consume it, and is the is it made to be a medicine or food or something? And is it commercially produced in Japan? Thank you. Thank you, Sensei, for the answer.
Okay. Is there any question? Another? Okay, Safina, please.
Good morning, Sensei. I'm Safirna, sixth semester student of Faculty of Forestry, Mulawarman University, and I want to ask about how we know the right dose if we use the natural based product.
So we did the clinical trial, right? And also that you can see this. I hope that you can see that this slide. And also that today I explain the clinical trial data. So in this clinical trial, we use 6 milligram of extractives. However, before this clinical trial, at first we did some safety experiment. For example, for example, 0.6. Then we can also prove the 6 milligram is safety. And then we did the final clinical trial and also obtain the efficacy. This is also the one of the also general. So there is no side effect. After that case, this information is one of the indicator for deciding the dose for human. And also, additionally, of course, we need to do several experiments by using the cell and animals. Not only clinical trial, but also sometimes, and also traditional information for those. And cell experiment for genetic toxicity, and animal experiment for toxicity. Finally, we can decide. But most important thing is the safety and experience. So depend on the plant, depend on the mushroom. So regulation is different. But the most difficult point, if we found out the very good natural extractive, right? But nobody have the experience of eating. At that case, so we need the all of scientific evidence against cells, animals, and clinical trials of natural products for safety point of view. Then finally decide the dose of extractive of natural products. So it's very comprehensive. So, but we need to obtain such kind of basic experimental data. So recently in Japan, we have a big problem. So one of the biggest companies for functional food. So they also sell salt and also the some
some mushroom, no, and yeast product, some yeast product, right? But unfortunately, and several person who purchased this product died. Right? So it's very, very terrible. So it's big news in Japan. Right? So that's why. So in the case of the considering the microorganisms, so it's easy to be changeable. And sometimes some strains, some drops have the toxicity must be big social problem. So we should be careful on how to decide those, especially from safety point of view. Okay. So very complicated. So I hope that you can understand also the basic information. Okay.
Okay, Sensei, thank you for the answer.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Is there any question? The next question? Okay. Please tell your name.
Good morning, Sensei.
Good morning. Yeah, good morning.
My name is Helen.
Okay.
And I wanna ask.
So that's why. So if we focus on some specific method,
Recording in progress.
Extractive is better than direct eating.
direct eating. Right?
However, several disadvantages. So usually, and also the natural itself contain a huge variety of bioactive compounds, right? So, and more safety, more diverse medicinal effect, right? So, and also and sometimes extractives have the high efficacy, but still have the possibility of side effect. Right? Okay. So, and okay, I will repeat the also the advantage in concentration of active compound. So that means the high efficacy. This is the advantage. Right? And disadvantage. And some specific compound is very, very concentrated. Some side effect might be happened. This is disadvantage from safety point of view. And also the advantage of eating also natural materials itself, right? So usually natural product, huge variety of bioactive compound. Right? So multifunction. Right? So not so high efficacy, but moderate activity against different also the health problem. Right? So multifunction or specific function. Which do you prefer? Right?
If you prefer the specific function, you can choose extractives. If you prefer the not so bad terrible health problem, but I'd like to improve a totally health balance. At that case, direct eating. I think it's better. Okay, can you understand? Case by case.
Okay,
Okay.
I can understand. Thank you, Sensei.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oke, ada yang mau bertanya lagi, mau bahasa Indonesia, boleh. Prof. Enos nanti translate dalam bahasa Jepang. Oke, next question. Yang perempuan tadi sudah berapa ya? 3 ya? 2? Yang laki-laki baru 1 ya? Oke, yang laki-laki dulu 1.
Hello, Sensei.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. My name is Fajar Ramadan Baharudin. I come from the Forest Faculty at Mulawar University. I want to ask, what products are made from extraction Ganoderma mushroom to be used as cancer medicine? And what compounds are used in this mushroom to be able to treat cancer?
Yeah, also your question is also what kind of the compound is related to the cancer?
Yes.
Okay. And also generally speaking, everybody believe previously, and this mushroom produce polysaccharide. Yeah, beta glucan. Beta glucan is very famous anti-cancer agent to enhance immune system, right? So, however, based on our research, not only beta glucan, polysaccharide, but also small molecules, polyterpenoids. Right? So this mushroom, so everybody believe this mushroom is one of the good ingredient for cancer. Right? So, however, so recently I make a lot of publication about the anti-cancer effect of polyterpenoids. This mushroom produce different terpenoid against different cancer. Eh? If you focus on, for example, prostate cancer, at that case, ganoderic acid DM is best efficacy. Eh? However, if you focus on the lung cancer, or if you focus on the breast cancer, at that case, different terpenoids have the good cytotoxicity against cancer cell line. So that's why also now I'm considering, so depend on the patient. The patient have the lung cancer. At that case, so specific terpenoid rich extract should be prescribed. But different cancer, we should prepare the different specific compound enriched extractives that we should prepare. Yeah? So case by case, right? So however, recently also the investigation on chemical-based investigation is developed. So maybe so we can provide the different growth stage extractives against different patients. That means tailor-made, personalized, also preparation of extractives against different patients. So, it's very, very complicated. But I believe not only polysaccharide, but also terpenoid is important. So, several technology is needed for extraction of bioactive compound. efficiently. I hope such kind of technique should be developed. And finally, I can answer to you. You are also the you feel you want to obtain the also anti-cancer extractives against specific cancer. So we can also say to you more logically. I hope such kind of the research will be developed. Okay, so my answer is also not clear, but I hope that you can understand my also my word. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for answer, Sensei.
Mhm. Okay,
Okay,
thank you
thank
very
you.
much.
Sensei, because we have already 90 minutes. Yeah, 90 minutes. So one more question in Indonesia or Japanese? Ada lagi yang mau bertanya? Yosi, mana Yosi? Oh iya Yosi, maaf. Yosi.
Good morning, Sensei.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah. For the first, I want to say thank you, Sensei, for the lecture that you explained for us. This is so interesting for us, and I want to ask about this one. So we just learned about how much effect that Ganoderma lindsay mushroom for health. So apart from this mushroom, are there any other types of Japan or any other plant that you research in another country about in other country that have effect like this mushroom, Sensei? Thank you.
Okay, and yeah, your question is also about this mushroom, right? And in Japan and in China and in Europe, in USA, of course in Indonesia. So several also the Ganoderma mushroom company, but recently, so several also genetic related research investigated. eh. So most of them are different strain, different genetically type, right? Genetically different type, and it means different also the same Ganoderma, but different company, different country, different strain have the also different genotype. That means different profile of compound, right? So even in Japan, so several companies produce the Ganoderma lynchy, right? And we compared quite different, not only chemical composition, but also genetically different, right? But same species, but different strain. So it's very interesting. So, and China and Korea and Russia and USA, also we investigate all of them, but different composition. Mm. So until now, no company focus on this evidence. Right? So they just believe all of Ganoderma lynchy are same. All of Ganoderma lynchy have the same medicinal effect. So that's why that they said all of them are good. However, based on our research, all of Ganoderma lynchy are different chemical composition. That means different medicinal activity. eh? So we are getting realizing such kind of fact. So that's why our research, so that means the extractive research should be developed. In the future, they will recognize. And also each company is also discriminated by analyzing using the LCMS and GCMS, produce the different type of commercial product. So I'm so sorry that my explanation is very, very complicated. However, all over the world, and they produce the Ganoderma ridge. However, most of them are different, right? And the same species, but composition is different. So we should be careful when we purchase the mushroom from different country, different company. It's one of the several also one of the answers. Okay, I
Okay.
hope you can also catch something from my word.
Okay, thank you, Sensei, for the answer. So I just learned about that is there's in other country that have many Ganoderma species that but have a different component and others. Okay, thank you, Sensei,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the answer.
Mm. Yeah, it's very important concern question. Thank you very much.
Okay. Sensei, before I close the class, maybe Prof. Enos will make some points and deliver to our student also. Please, Prof. Enos.
Yeah. Prof. Shimizu, thank you for today. Yeah.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
for thank you very much for uh, lecture today to our student
Thank you.
here. Yeah. Sorry, I will talk in Indonesia with my student. Ini topik penting ya pagi hari ini. Jadi kalau adik-adik lihat tumbuhnya berbeda dari stage apa itu baru tumbuh anakan ya, anakan sampai dia tua ya komposisi zat aktifnya juga akan berbeda ya. Dan ada zat aktif yang dominan, ada juga yang yang tidak dominan itu ya. Ini dari penjelasannya Prof. Shimizu tadi. Jadi penting itu ya. Jadi ketika mau melakukan sesuatu ya harus dicek memang. Tidak semua misalnya yang tumbuh di berbeda tempat juga pasti akan berbeda kandungannya ya. Yang ditanam di Samarinda atau Kalimantan dengan di Jawa ya umumnya sama isinya, cuma yang itu tadi ya. Ada senyawa-senyawa tertentu yang dia banyak kuantitasnya, ada yang lain turun. Tadi kelihatan ya di stage-nya ada yang tinggi, ada yang turun. Nah, walaupun isinya sama ya, dia di dalam stage-nya ada isinya, tapi dia berbeda kuantitasnya. Ya. Ya. Sama jenisnya pasti senyawa kimianya sama, tetapi itu tadi ya berbeda kuantitasnya di dalam. Jadi penting untuk dilakukan riset, penelitian supaya waktu kita mau pakai, kalau mau digunakan ya bisa ketahuan dampaknya ya, efeknya bisa ketahuan. Jadi tadi dari Prof. Shimizu juga kalau yang bisa dimakan bisa langsung dimakan. Tapi kalau yang belum pernah ada laporan itu pernah dimakan, jangan coba-coba makan ya. Nanti bisa tewas. Nanti munculnya di mana? Di koran kan? Telah meninggal. Seorang mahasiswa yang coba-coba makan itu ya, jamur itu ya dari hutan. Nah, itu wajib hati-hati ya. Walaupun efeknya bagus, tapi kalau tidak ada pernah dilaporkan itu dimakan langsung atau dikonsumsi oleh manusia, nah itu wajib dilakukan investigasi secara disebutkan ya. Ada uji toksitas, ada uji macam-macam ya ke hewan. Kalau penasaran kasih aja kucing dulu atau kasih anjing gitu ya. Kalau dia mati berarti enggak boleh nih. Ini ya. Jangan langsung kita makan, nanti kalau kita makan langsung meninggal nanti ya, atau ke rumah sakit itu ya. Kasih dulu kucing, kalau kucingnya teler, nah itu tanda-tanda ini enggak boleh nih. Enggak boleh langsung dimakan, harus diteliti dulu. Ya, ini menarik ya. Mudah-mudahan menambah wawasan buat adik-adik. Nanti kelas berikutnya Rabu depan ya. Oke. Saya pikir itu dari saya. Jadi saya thank you. That's all for me ya. From me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Prof. Enos. Shimizu Sensei, we are finished for today class, but we are waiting the next class in the same day. If you have time, we need your information, such kind of this presentation is very interesting for us.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we need what is it? Okay, we have 4 topics today. So would you please to send us the slide so our student can learn much from your slide, and
Okay.
maybe we would like to make some question, or they should make a resume for today class. Okay, Sensei.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. So we can meet again the next week in the same day, Wednesday in 8 o'clock from Samarinda, 9 o'clock in Japan. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Sensei. Thank you so much for joining our class, and terima kasih banyak dengan mahasiswa. Thank you for today. Kita ketemu lagi nanti di minggu depan di kelas yang sama. Saya harap semuanya hadir ya, karena presentasinya menarik. So I don't want to make a conclusion for today, Sensei, because it's very interesting, and Prof. Enos also already got the point and translate in Indonesia. Thank you. See you next week. Okay, see you.
Yeah, thank you very
Bye.
much. See you next week. Thank you very much. Terima
Thank you.
kasih.
Terima
Sama-sama.
kasih.
Terima
Okay.
kasih. Okay. Yeah, terima kasih. Bye-bye. See you next
Bye.
time.
Oke, absen sudah jalan. Ini 65 orang atau bukan? Tidak.